How to turn on send contact on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send contact on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner, and now go down and here you will find this one, people, and after you click people, here you will find sync contact. Click on it and click turn on and click allow, and then click allow again, and as you see sync contact has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.